Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get your single player progress back if you deleted your game saves on your PS4. So what we want to do is go all the way over to settings right here and select this and go on down to where it says application save data management. Now if you do have PlayStation Plus, everything is automatically backed up to the cloud. So if we delete it by accident, well, we can download it. So go to save data in online storage. And then go to download to system storage. And then we just need to find the game and download the saved data. So maybe we deleted our Minecraft world, we can download our Minecraft world. Maybe we deleted the Grand Theft Auto single player progress. We can just download it from the cloud. So wait for this to load, and it says please wait. It's taking a long time for some reason. Now if you do have something downloaded or downloading, you can try pausing that if it's not loading. Now go to Grand Theft Auto or Minecraft and select it, and then go to the save data or find the single player progress. You can see all my different Minecraft worlds on here too. Let's try Grand Theft Auto. So here's the autosave. I can just download everything back to my PlayStation. So let's go to download now. And you can see I still have some stuff on my system, so I can just overwrite it, go to yes. And I don't think I'm going to be downloading anything new. But if you accidentally delete your single player progress or something happens, download it from the cloud and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.